Hello, hello, my beloved waking gods and goddesses. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Love, Truth, and Beauty. Do it yourself or divine in the flesh. Now with replays on IGTV at dakini.kiss, where together we learn how to surf and navigate the ups and downs of the totality of human experience, composing a new earth beyond the limitations of this perception-managed reality matrix of 5 senses, having discovered our true divine creative natures and our true sensual sensorial world of 7 senses, creating formless into form. Before we get started, please do give this video a thumbs up. Please also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, selecting the all settings so that when I upload videos, YouTube will let you know. I generally upload Tuesdays and Fridays, 2 p.m. Eastern. My name is Maria West, and I am your hostess of the highest, here to download, upload, inspire, and usher you into your bestest and brightest light, your bestest and brightest selves, and inviting you all to open your hearts wider and wider and wider still. Hello, my darlings. Welcome to episode 79. Super quick video today on the topic of boundaries. So let's just get into it by first allowing me to clarify that while boundaries can be erected to mark specific physical territories, as in the lay of the land, for myself, boundaries are not about keeping people out and away from you or away from your territory or your property. Boundaries are about being accountable to yourself. That is, waking yourself up, seeing reality, exiting the matrix, entering your center screen, your awareness center, composing your preferred reality by activating your Powercord-Plait-Braid. Whenever you notice some tension drawing upon your attention, whether emotionally, energetically, mentally, psychically, physically, psychologically, etc. Okay? For example, with intense emotions such as anxiety, depression, grief, terror, and even bliss or ecstasy, utilizing these intensities to wake yourself up and own your attention of them creates and anchors accountability and self-responsibility to yourself to enter into your awareness center. Thus, you can either magnify those pleasures or compose a preferred reality when you don't like someone, transurfing negative triggering emotions, energies, thought forms, psychic vampirism, and ordering the upcoming new frames of reality, illuminating new sectors of your reality, now moving toward realization and materialization. Intensity from any source pierces through our personal, emotional, energetic space, okay, our energy fields, and grabs our attention. And depending on our level of conscious awakened awareness, we can wield personal power by allowing or transurfing the experience or completely snoozing right through it, obeying it all within the matrix scripts. I had an interesting interaction with my physical body that I want to share with you, giving me clear warning signs that I was not paying attention to the boundaries of my body, okay, giving me through physical pain, physical discomfort. As a long-time martial artist, I have practiced particular exercises and forms countless times. I was distracted that particular morning and I wasn't fully present. I was mostly going through the motions just based on muscle memory, which is another way of describing being on autopilot and allowing my body to move in a rote fashion, unaware of my half-assed practice. Okay, I gotta own it. I was sound asleep. Okay, typically my world will take care of me and give me a gentle pink tap or push or shove back to wake me up. However, I willfully ignored the fact that I had crossed over into my opponent's space. And in this case, my opponent was the suspended from the ceiling 100+ pound punching bag and kick bag which was now in full swing. And because I wasn't paying attention, my attention was owned by a particular matrix timeline. So I went in for an elbow shot, okay, and completely ignored the fact that the giant bag was coming right at me, resulting in me jamming and wrenching up my right arm and elbow. And I went up like that, and I heard the crunch loud and clear as my elbow made full contact with the bag. Okay, ouch is to say the least. That's not what I said. Okay, you can imagine what I said. All right, starts with an F. My right shoulder has suffered greatly over the years from my snoozing and not paying attention to its boundaries and limitations. Oh, but dude, that did not stop me there. Rather than giving my workout a rest, I proceeded to continue upstairs in my yoga studio with a yoga practice filled with nothing but inversions. Okay, so we're talking handstands, back bends, one-arm balances, further wrenching the right shoulder and right arm. And for a few days, I babied it, okay? I didn't push it. I whined a little bit. I transurfed its full recovery, ordering the upcoming frames, and started to feel better, only to go ahead with a pickleball lesson. Now, mind you, I have never played tennis or racquetball or held any kind of racket, anything ever, let alone play pickleball. But I was stuck in the matrix and its specific script of me wanting to be a good new girlfriend, open and game to trying anything new that I haven't done before, part of my new round of the 30 anomalous actions. And somehow I got talked into, after a crash course in holding the racket, trying to hit the ball, trying to see the ball, trying to serve, trying to understand the point system, playing an actual game or two with folks who were seasoned players. Oh my fucking God. Okay, so several times my right shoulder screamed in pain, like, bitch, what are you doing? And I was so immersed in the fulfillment of the script within the matrix of being the good girlfriend, open to trying anything and not being a wuss, that I went ahead and played, and mind you, I played very badly, 2 full games, okay, wrecking my right shoulder, my deltoids, my biceps, forearms, triceps, and am now suffering for it with massive doses of ice, hot therapies, Motrin, magnesium oil, homeopathic rust ox, you name it, I'm fucking doing it. Duh. Okay? Practicing boundaries, my loves, is about conserving your energies and resources and setting limits and honoring those limits. Whether these resources are financial, emotional, energetic, mental, physical, or whatever, dudes, you gotta listen up, okay? You're being called out to wake the F up. So wake yourself up. It's about paying attention to what's owning your attention, because if you're not owning your attention, you are sound asleep at the wheel of your life, and there are consequences to snoozing and living in the matrix and adhering to its various matrix pendulums and the swings of reality, especially once you know better, okay? Boundaries are warnings. They are activated when we are in danger, when our sixth sense, our intuition gets triggered, or when our first chakra, our survival center, is letting us know, hey, wake up, Missy. Someone's in your energy field and is off and may be dangerous. I had an experience with a skydiving accident that would have been avoided had I taken heed to my intuition, my sixth chakra, my sixth sense, and my gut feeling, my third chakra, power center, that something was way off that day in the wind, and to pass on the jump another day. But I ignored the warnings of my inner guidance and jumped anyway, resulting in a terrifying experience of spinning out of control, losing my awareness, forgetting all about the importance of my altimeter, deploying my chute in a very compromised position, thus breaking ribs, landing immensely hard. I'm blessed to be alive. So, my loves, Do journal about what kinds of boundaries do you need to create and engage in your life, and what resources do you tend to leak out and give away or have folks take away from you. Okay, my loves, that is my speech, nice and quick. Check yourselves and your abilities to create and maintain boundaries, and let me know how it goes or how it doesn't go. What are your biggest challenges regarding boundaries? Regarding resources, why do you feel like you have to be accessible readily and easily? So do give this video a thumbs up. Do help me grow my channel by leaving a comment about your experiences, or if you have any suggestions for me as far as video topics, please share this video with your communities, friends, family members, and social media platforms, and with whom you feel would benefit from my content. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, selecting the all settings so that YouTube will let you know when I upload next. And if you find value, enjoy, or benefit from my videos and content, won't you please consider supporting my work through a donation? My PayPal link is down below, as is my contact information with my link tree that connects you with all my stuff and the different ways to connect and work with me. I thank you all so much for your participation and focused attention. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, be the love that you are. Share your love. Always act from love, from your center screen, more and more and more. Be creative, be kind, be helpful, be generous, and give, 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 give. Here's to love, truth, and beauty, my lovey doves. Mwah!